everyone, you're on Sveta Rash channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I want to show you 10 simple and beautiful hairstyles for every day. All today's hairstyles are for gathered hair. That is why they are perfect for hot weather. And if you're interested, stay with me. For the first hairstyle, we should pick up all hair into a high ponytail and then we braid our ponytail in a simple 3 strands braid. Then we secure it with a hair tie and pull out strands. But if your hair is very thick and long, you don't have to pull out the strands, because anyway, you will get a beautiful hairstyle. Now start putting the braid into a bun and secure it with bobby pins. Haven't finished any hairstyle, you should set it. Pull out strands so that our bun looks more voluminous. And if you want, you can pull out some strands near the face and shape the hairstyle. So this is the final look. For the next hairstyle, you will need to make a French braid. Pick up some hair from the top center of your head, divide it into 3 strands. Now the left strand crosses under the middle one, then the right strand crosses under the middle one. Now the left strand crosses under the middle one, and we add a thin section of hair to it. The right strand crosses the middle one, and we add a section of hair. And we keep braiding this way. Tie the braid off with a hair tie, pull out strands to add some volume. Then the remaining braid we hide inside and secure it with the bobby pins. The hairstyle is done! For the third hairstyle, we'll need a headband. Put it on the head. Split the hair into 2 sections, separate a tiny strand and push it through the headband. Pick up another strand and push it. And we keep doing this till the end. Now we will do the same from the other side. The remaining hair we also push through the headband. Twist it in the end, and in some places pull out strands so that our hairstyle can look smooth. And this is the final look. For the fourth hairstyle, we should gather all hair into a high ponytail. After this, I twist my hair, wrap it around the hair tie, and secure it with bobby pins. Now we should set the bun and shape it the way we like. The hairstyle is done. For the next hairstyle, we should do a side parting. Now I separate a small strand of hair, divide it into 3 parts, and start French braiding. The left strand crosses under the middle one, and then the right strand crosses under the middle one. Now the left strand crosses under the middle one again, and we add some hair to it. Again, the right strand crosses under the middle one, and we add some hair to it. Now the left strand crosses under the middle one again, and we add some hair to it. Again, the right strand crosses under the middle one, and we add some hair to it. I keep braiding this way till the end. While braiding, I stop to pull out the strands. I turn over the braid and finish braiding. Put on a hair tie and pull out strands again. Now I set the braid to its bases and secure it with the bobby pins. Finish the hairstyle, and this is the final look. For the next hairstyle, we should split hair into 2 parts. Then you need to do 2 low ponytails. Now pick the first ponytail, twist it and secure it with bobby pins. Do the same with another ponytail. And such a quick hairstyle is done. For the 7th hairstyle, we will need small hair ties. Firstly, separate some part of hair at the nape and do a ponytail. Separate some part of hair again and do a ponytail again. Now we need to pull out strands. Then pick up the remaining hair, put it into a ponytail and pull out strands again. And keep doing this till the end. The hairstyle is done. The next hairstyle is very easy. We put up all hair into a low ponytail and in the end create this kind of bun. Now wrap the remaining hair around the hair tie and secure the end with a bobby pin. The hairstyle is done. For the next hairstyle, we should make a middle parting and after that do 2 ponytails. Twist each ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie. In the end, secure the bun with a bobby pin. Do the same with the second ponytail. If you want, you can pull out the buns to make them voluminous. So these kid buns we get. For the last hairstyle, we should split hair into 2 sections. Then I separate some hair, divide it into 2 parts and twist it. The right strand goes over the left one and twist them. Now the right strand goes over the left one again and I add some hair to it. The right strand goes over the left one again, add some hair to it. Now the right strand goes over the left one again and I add some hair to it. And keep doing this till the end. I tie it off with a hair tie and do the same from the other side. Then we combine twists together and tie them off with a hair tie. Well, make a bun from the ponytail, twist it and wrap it around. Secure it with bobby pins. The hairstyle is done. And that's it. If you like these hairstyles, don't forget to give it a thumbs up And also subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot of beautiful hairstyles. Thank you very much for watching me. Best wishes. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!